Hey guys, this is Luigi Starblast. Welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today I have a kind of new setup, and this is how we're going to be recording Pokemon card videos from now on. So I've got my Lando Roblox toy and my Uncle Sam's uncle. I got a Pop Series 9 pack, a Lunala deck box opening, 2 Primal Clash, and a Sun and Moon base. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. So, we have our first pack open. It's a Pop Series 9. I'm not going to do a pack trick. I'm just going to use my non-crippled hand and open this thing up. We have a Lightning Energy, a Chimchar with Sleepy and Cereal Swipes, and a Pikachu. So for our next pack, we have this is a Sun and Moon. Here's the code. We have a Pinsir, a Rare Candy, a Brionne, a Caterpie, a Morlo, a Chinchou. Our reverse is a Switch. Our rare is a Cosmoem. And our energy is a Metal Energy. On a side note, this is my first Primal Clash pack ever. So we're going to start off with a Gardevoir Spirit Link, a Combuskin, a Mr. Mime, a Staryu, a Volbeat, Nosepass, oh my god, a Spinda, a Rough Seas reverse, and a rare is a Hollow Manaphy. Very nice. So, on to the next pack of Primal Clash. We have Magcargo, Seadra, a Gorbis, Mudkip, Chinchou, Solrock, Clamperl, Nidoran Female, a Torchic Ancient Trait, beautiful, and a Probopass is our rare. A Probopass. Yes, a Probopass is our rare. Well, now it's all opened up. Here's the promo that it comes with. Let me block the sun. It's Lunala. Its moves are Shadow Shot and Wings of the Moon. 160 health. Very tanky for my competitive battle with my friends. Here's the coin. I'll show you that in the light. It's pretty insane. Here's that in the dark. Right in front of the Lunala. So now to the big pack. Sorry about that. Anyway, the cards that comes are the Energy, another Energy, Cosmoem, Energy, Rescue Stretcher, another Energy, Cosmog, Energy Lotto, How, Salandit, Energy, Oricorio, the Psychic one, Stuffle, Litwick, Fire Energy, Timer Ball, Energy Retrieval, another Energy, Gothita, Cosmog, Nest Ball, Energy, Beware, Gothorita, Professor Kukui, Energy, Potion, Switch, Fire Energy, Altar of the Moon, put that back here with Lunala, Energy, Howl, Fire Energy, Stuffle, Gothorita, Mimikyu. It's a nice card. Energy, Timer Ball, Beware, another Energy, another Salandit, a Cosmog, a Lunala, an Energy, a Nest Ball, another Cosmoem, a Litwick, an Energy, a Lampent, a Salazzle this time, an Energy, another Professor Kukui, another Stuffle, another Gothita, another Energy, another Item Switch, and another Howl. So the pulls we got from this video, as a recap, are... One moment. We got a Holo Manaphy, a Reverse Torchic Ancient Trait, and the sadly warped Lunala. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked my new setup, please leave a comment. By the way, once again, go check out Glitch8527. If you didn't get the codes, here they are again. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and enjoy your days. This is Luigi Starblast signing out. Goodbye, Green Dynamites.